Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's episode, we have a bunch of positive and good news for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space in general, because it seems like we're going to see more of institutional investors coming in and pouring money into your bags of cryptocurrencies and the Bitcoin. And now, let's begin. So very quickly, we're going to go through these news. We have literally 6 articles because they are awesome. Last one is the XRP. XRP is defending strong, and it seems like they may actually get out of this lawsuit. Now let's go through every single one of them very quickly and effectively. Bitgo receives trust license from New York regulators. Ladies and gentlemen, it seems like that the Goldman Sachs backed crypto custodian Bitgo has acquired the New York trust license to operate as an independent custodian in the state. This is very huge and very good. This is going to bring much more liquidity and stability in the crypto ecosystem, as you can see over here, and also much more transparency and much more trust. When institutional investors start pouring money through the Bitgo, it's going to be amazing. This is huge news, and this is very good. As you can see, they are going to go through KYC, of course, and anti-money laundering controls, and offer offline cold storage of cryptographic keys in bank-grade vaults, Bitgo said. This is very good, and I think that the SEC wants to see this. They want transparency through their exchanges or banks, crypto banks, whatever you want to call them. They want this, and I do believe they are going to go through this license very smoothly. I do believe that they are going to have a lot of customers. This is New York, baby. Let's go. Now, again, bigger news. Gemini launches ETF and fund manager focused custody, clearing and trade service. Again, one more of them. Gemini is hitting the road very hardly. This is very good to see. This is very good because on Bitgo we're going to have the institutional side, while on Gemini side we're going to be focused much more on the retail investors. As you can see, the new service, so this is the new service, will offer custody, clearing, trade execution and other capital markets facilities, as well as provide education around the crypto marketplace and act as a centralized hub for crypto liquidity providers, according to the announcement. So on this side, we have a very good gate for the retail investors and the traders, new coming traders, and over here we do have big gate that is right now approved from the regulators on the New York side. Very good. One more bullish news. If you remember, in one of the video we discussed about ETF, first ETF in Canada, and you can see that the Canadian firm planning to convert its Bitcoin trust to an ETF. The Toronto-based investment firm will put the matter to a vote in April. This is very good, ladies and gentlemen. So this is 9 Point firm. In an announcement on March 3rd, 9 Point said it would be holding a vote for unit holders to decide on whether to convert its existing Bitcoin trust to an exchange-traded fund or ETF or the Toronto Stock Exchange. The firm said the move is intended to provide a better trading price and increased trading liquidity. Investors will be able to vote on the matter on April 19. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Now switching to the even better news, Netflix might be next Fortune 100 firm to buy Bitcoin, says Tim Draper. This is a very interesting statement over here. Let's see what he has to say. He said this in the Soma podcast. I think Reed Hastings is a very innovative guy and has a lot of creative thinking, and I think he still controls the reins at Netflix. And so I think that might be the next big one to follow. I hope this is going to be the case, because this could be very huge for the space in general. They could maybe even implement as a payment method on the Netflix itself, who knows. Switching to the next one, more bullish news. Colombia's oldest commercial bank pilots crypto services. One of the largest banks in Colombia, Banco de Bogota, will pilot crypto services as part of regulatory sandbox project. Very good. One of our great motivations is to be an active part of the transformation of the country and we consider it available to participate in the constructions of the possible regulators that would enable the exchange of crypto assets within the Colombian regulatory framework. Amazing how many news we have today, and even one positive finally for the XRP. Ripple's executive chairman moves to dismiss SEC lawsuit. So what they did, actually, they sent reasons why they should dismiss this lawsuit, because it has no sense proceed with it, and I'm about to show you why. Yesterday they filled one letter, and there are 4 reasons. Let's see the first. According to the letter, the SEC cannot substantiate its claims that Larsen knowingly or recklessly provided substantial assistance towards the violation of Sector 5 of the Securities Act of 1933. And now, one of the most interesting one. Arguing further, the letter stated that in 2015, when Larsen bore the designation of Ripple CEO, both the Justice Department and the Treasury Department's Finance Crimes Enforcement Network classified XRP as a currency. Now, this may be the problem for the lawsuit on the side of the SEC. Switching to the next one, building on this line of argument, Larsen's legal team also declared that the Ripple executive cannot be said to have taken action to ensure the success of XRP sales. And the fourth one, in its fourth line of argument, the letter stated that the statute of limitations has run out on any alleged involvement of Larsen in the sale of XRP since 2013, adding, because the SEC has alleged that the sales of XRP over a multi-year period constitute only one offer, which began in 2013. The statute of limitations began to run in 2013 and expired in 2018. Now we have the separate letter from the Garden House itself. He actually sent a letter to Judge Analisa Torres stating that the FinCEN has previously classified XRP as a virtual currency. So this may be the problem to proceed with the lawsuit. Garden House legal representative also penned the SEC's case against the Ripple CEO for personally violating securities regulations. According to Solomon, Garden House's activities concerning the sale of XRP tokens were simply part of this job as head of the company. Wow, this is going to be a big fight. I think they prepared actually their defense, and we're going to see how the SEC and how a court will react on such a stuff that we are seeing over here. This is incredible. We have a bunch of good news today, ladies and gentlemen. More plot twists. We're going to see how this will end with the SEC, but I think the fight just began. If we switch to the charts very quickly to update you on the Bitcoin, it seems like that the Bitcoin is consolidating still above 20 exponential moving average as we discussed, and it seems like if we switch on the 4-hourly chart that we are entering some sort of a flag over here, but I do believe that we should have break out already, but we're going to see how this will develop. We're not going to do price targets and price prediction right now. You can check out the previous video what we discussed about it. Anyway, I need to just tell you to watch this area over here because of these small doji candles on the 4-hourly chart. They're giving me some hopes that we're going to see some spike to the upside very soon, most probably to the upside since we are above 20 EMA. Just observe this level over here. It seems like that the bulls are accumulating slowly Bitcoin, and we may see the breakout much sooner than you think, and these news over here are most probably going to boost the price nevertheless. Now I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about all of this. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, and until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.